Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here in the Outdoor Testing Center, and I have in my hand these cool leather key fobs. Just so you know, these were provided for me to do these review, but as you will see in here is my actual key fob. I believe really strongly in walking the walk, talking the talk, and I've been using these for about a week, so I know what they're like. Let's talk about some of the things I like about them, some of the things I don't like, and then at the end I'll give you a Doug score from 1 to 5 so you know my overall impression of these. Hey, and if this kind of content is helpful for you, one of these down below is helpful for us. Anyway, let's talk about it. So, in terms of, let's start with first things first, the size. So here it is. This, so you can have a frame of reference. I have a Chevy Tahoe, so this is the standard Chevrolet size key fob, which kind of looks like this compared to it. So overall, it fits in there. It's a little sloppy, let's call it, I guess, maybe because the key fob is a little on the smaller side. I don't know. I love Chevys, GMs. It's pretty much all I have, so I know they're all the same as this. So that's how they fit. It fits fine, works good. It has so if you take a look at it, has a really nice, I love the red trim and the white piping, the threading in the white. It looks really cool. So I think they're really sharp looking. It looks really nice. The little carabiner for it to clip on it or to put a key ring on there is also nice. My one complaint that I do have a little bit, I don't know if you could see or not, but like the buttons are fairly obscured by, there's like a mesh so that you can see the button to hit them. But if it's like, if you don't know exactly where they are and it's nighttime and you're in the parking lot, there's a lot of fumbling around to do. There are a couple buttons on here. Small little thing, I think definitely not a big exchange for this cool style, and also the protection, right? This keeps the key fob, if you have a fancy Mercedes or something like that, you don't want it to get all scratched up. How nice is that to keep it clean? In any case, I gotta give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I think this works perfectly for what it is. The value is amazing. I think they look cool. I hope that's helpful. We'll see you next time.